Hello and welcome, my dear fellas. This is the clash between Ben Rothwell and Gabriel Gonzaga. First of all, I want to excuse myself because I was having slight technical issues with this one, so I might not see one part of round one, but this was recorded 10 years ago, and here we go. Ben Rothwell, Gabriel Gonzaga. Off we go. Yeah. Oh man, is this a head kick for Gonzaga and another head kick? But now Rothwell drags him to the ground. Rothwell is punching. Big punches for Ben Rothwell. He is rocking Gonzaga. Gonzaga survives, gets back on his feet. Rothwell is up. High kicks for Rothwell. Now Rothwell takes him down again. Oh man, big punches for Rothwell. Rothwell is landing some hooks. Is Gonzaga gonna be rocked? No, not this time. Light kicks for Rothwell. Rothwell trying to clinch up. Gonzaga is a BJJ black belt. I mean, Rothwell is risking a lot by playing this kind of game with Gonzaga. But he is rocking Gonzaga with big punches. High kicks for Rothwell. Rothwell shoots in, but Gonzaga stops the takedown. Light kick for Rothwell and the push kick for Gonzaga. Middle kick, Gonzaga with 1-2. He's digging to the body, Gonzaga clinching up. Rothwell is trying to hold him into Muay Thai plan, but he is not a Muay Thai god. You know that he is not a Muay Thai god. He has never been that good with Muay Thai. Big knees to the body by Ben Rothwell. They are scrambling in the clinch. Rothwell separates, middle kick. Hooks for Ben Rothwell. These punches are landing clean. Gonzaga clinches up. Alright, Rothwell is holding him. Rothwell is trying to drag the fight to the ground, and a great suplex by Ben Rothwell. More punches for Rothwell. As the fight advances into the later rounds, I believe Rothwell is up on the scorecards by the score of 1-0. Good job executing your throws. Stay in your top position. Well, it's hard to say to stay in top position because Big Ben Rothwell, no, Gonzaga is a BJJ black belt and it's never gonna be easy, you know. It's really never going to be easy with that. Really, it's never going to be easy with that, so yeah, let's go. Gabriel Gonzaga. Big Ben Rothwell round 2. Gonzaga drops him early on. High kick for Rothwell. Uppercuts, Gonzaga covering up. Leg kicks. Rothwell trying to shoot in. Gonzaga stops the takedown. Rothwell with a takedown attempt. Another takedown attempt for Rothwell. Rothwell takes him down. Big knees and uppercuts. Rothwell transitions. Big punches for Rothwell. Oh, he holds his opponent. Leg kicks for Rothwell. And a hook. Big hook and a middle kick. Now leg kick. Rothwell is trying to fight at long range. Gonzaga with a big punch and he clinches up right now. Rothwell is trying to create some space. Big knees. And more knees for Rothwell. He misses with a middle kick. Leg kick for Rothwell. Gonzaga with a high kick. That's how he KO'd Mirko Cro Cop. Now Gonzaga clinches up. Smart fighting by Gonzaga, but Rothwell will try to go for the suplex. Yeah, he is trying to go for the suplex. Not doing easy. Oh, great takedown for Rothwell. Hook. And another hook for Rothwell. Rothwell rocks Gonzaga. Gonzaga recovers. Gonzaga is actually very good when he's down below. Oh, Rothwell knocks him out. Rothwell knocks out Gabriel Gonzaga. What a victory for Big Ben Rothwell. Oh, man. Well, he knocked him out with a big ground hook. See, this ground hook landed clean. Gonzaga was out. He was out as soon as his face touched the mat. He was out. Big Ben Rothwell with a victory.